Yeah. Turn it.
Why did she hit my shoulder so hard? Trying to like this chicken, but I need a little seasoning. Lemonade.
Lemonade for you.
Lemonade for my wife.
Okay, no worries. You don't have it.
Off and long. What's going on, man?
Y'all don't have beer, do you?
Yes, we have beer. Okay, catch up.
We have Bud Light, Budweiser, Cool Light, Corona, Dos Equis, Foster, Heineken, Michelob Ultra, Miller Lite, Red Stripe, Stella.
Island boy. You said you was an island boy.
I am.
But then you need to be drinking Red Stripe.
Good, I'll take a look. I'm good. I think anybody that ordered the Foster in 2024.
Okay. And then can she have we made lobster tail for her dinner? And
Yeah.
You don't have to worry about dessert.
Just lobster.
Yep, just the lobster tail. Okay.
For starters, I'm gonna do the Caesar salad. Okay, it's a Caesar dressing on the side. And then I'm gonna do the grilled chicken. Grilled chicken.
Danny. Hold on.
And
Danny.
then
Auntie Kim said look at your phone. Auntie Kim said look at your phone.
let me try the banana cocoa custard. Yeah.
And would you like something else? That chicken?
You look nice, young man.
Thank you, you too.
You look nice, young
I like
man.
your shirt.
You look nice, young lady.
Thank you.
You look nice, young lady.
Thank you.
Oh,
Let me try the shrimp too.
Alright, thank you very much.
All right, thank
Just
you.
be clear. What I ordered the lobster tail and the shrimp, correct?
I'm on your right.
I ordered the lobster and the shrimp. That's what I ordered. Okay, big deal.
Yeah, you have a shrimp and lobster. She has a pasta.
Okay, gotcha.
You know I'm here. Alright. I'm gonna do the chilled shrimp cocktail. And then I'm gonna do the New York strip and the lobster tail. And then no dessert.
How you like to be done?
Medium, please.
Yeah. And no dessert.
No dessert. Straight to business. Straight to business.
Thank you.
Straight to business. Hey, no starter?
No starter? And the card? No lobster?
This floor?
No lobster?
No lobster.
On this floor?
How you like to be done? Medium, yeah.
And then can I have the red velvet, please?
And?
Can I have the red velvet?
That's a favorite.
Thank you very much, sir.
Great choice. Yeah, man, you don't lay them down, boy, I'm gonna get you on them. I'm gonna leave
Don't
you
lay 'em
there
down.
and take them right there, dog.
You said it's delicious?
I can give you some. You can have some.
You said it's delicious?
I smell it. I know it smells like cream. That's what I like. The flavored rice. I know it's going to be a little spicy, but it comes with it.
It's actually not spicy. It smells spicy though.
Thank you. Thank you for your help.
No problem.
I feel bad.
Thank you. Let me see what you got here. Bang.
It's alright right here.
Sassy.
about to do some. What, raw carrots? Mm-hmm. I eat them all the time. Cause we work weird schedules, so we making a whole bunch of like quick stuff.
Hold on, y'all.
Laughing at me. I took a piece of the shell with me.
I got your ass on camera too. Doing that shit. Trying to like this chicken, but I need a little seasoning. I don't like the chicken.
Turn it.
Why did she hit my shoulder so hard?
Get back in there, champ. Said, get back in there, champ.
Now focus. Yeah, no, do what you're supposed to do. Yeah, do what I said. Yeah, focus. You stick to the damn script.
A very pleasant good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the main dining room. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have our executive chef and entire culinary team who will do the parade for you from deck number 5 to deck number 3. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, put your hands together for your culinary team!
Everything okay here? Yeah? Ma'am? Miss, you okay? Yeah?
Yes, thank you.
Everybody okay here, yeah? Thank you very much. Have you completed?
That's hilarious. You got nothing.
Hey. It's because my boy Regime in here. What is this?
That's enough. You need to give him your food so you can take your plate away. You enjoyed that.
You got up to get it. Right. Oh, hold on, Tor. Come on over here and see that drippery, man.
I have somebody that's different.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
You feel me?
Okay, let's start from the toe.
You know they always gonna be shining.
I'm trying to tell you.
One thing always gonna be shining.
I'm trying
These what
to
I
tell
call
you.
the wedding specials. These
Okay.
the wedding specials.
Okay.
With a little Ross.
You dig what I'm
feel me?
saying?
You see, it ain't where you buy it, it's how you wear it.
I'm
That's
trying to
what
tell
matters.
you. Yes,
That's all
sir.
that matters, though.
You clean
Real
today,
talk.
my boy.
I try every day. I don't succeed every day though, but today I
But
did
today,
pretty good.
you did your thing.
Did pretty good.
You did what I'm
Did
saying.
pretty
Subscribe
good.
to my boy.
Got to.
TD no good.
TD no good, cause I ain't no good.
I'm trying to tell you.
Go to the singles mixer so you can pretend to meet Janae.
Go to what now?
Go to a singles mixer so you can pretend to meet Janae.
Pretend to be Janae.
Yeah, like you guys both go to the singles mixer on board.
Oh, and pretend to meet her.
Yeah, then you guys can join you guys are.
I thought you said pretend to be her.
Oh, no.
That sounds
That sounds fun too. Yeah.
Sure.
I respect you for trying that. You got a perfect little slice, too.
You see that?
Looks like a
It's a-
little piece of pie.
yeah.
Hey, look. Look at this cute piece of pie.
It's a little Stuart Little piece.
So cute. Get your leg off the floor. They was just talking about the people in the comedy show. Yes, they were pretending, but as the kids know, their mother just touch each other on the floor. Oh, that should let you know how it goes. Don't eat that big dog. That should let you know. That's kind of a cute little piece too.
Watch it be good.
Kind of good.
Is that the bake Alaska? No, that's the bake Alaska.
Oh,
What is that?
Everything okay?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Yes.
I do apologize if I have something mistake or something doubts. Just let me know because I'm still confusing also on this scene.
Everything was great. You
I
were
hope-
awesome, right?
I hope you enjoy. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I'm really appreciate. Thank you for coming tonight. Enjoy your lovely evening tonight. Yeah.
Thank you for
And I'm
spending
looking
it.
forward to see you around the scene. Yeah. Thank you to all of you. Take your time. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm glad he brought this red velvet.
He brought you a savior. Is that?
He knew.
Yeah, he said. Oh,
Y'all don't want no red velvet, do you?
Just anybody can taste it, but I'm moving in front of you. Anybody can try it.
You want to try it, baby? Not that, but that. We already know what that's about.
Go ahead and keep that. Go ahead and keep that.
You don't want that, baby? Baby don't want to try it, y'all. Jada, y'all want to try this? It's like a banana something, kind of custard something. All right, it's all yours, David.
He would love that.
Yes, I know. It's his favorite. Red velvet, all right. It ain't your great aunties.
Yeah, it ain't Big Mama's cake.
I never had this mixture, strawberry ice cream with red velvet. It's doing what it needs to do. You gotta try it with the ice cream, baby. I ain't never had it with strawberry ice cream. It's doing something.
Watch out now. Watch out.
Oh, I see you touch your hands too. Excuse me now. How's that?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.
There's Jordan.
That was decent. That was decent. Okay. That was decent, y'all. I liked it. I ain't mad at it. So, I'm bringing y'all down. There we go. I appreciate y'all for joining me on this. It's been a fantastic voyage. We still got 2 more days. So, I ain't gonna hold y'all no longer. We'll go ahead and end this video, but before I do, make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn on all post notifications. And make sure y'all like the video. You know what I mean? So it can help the algorithm. Let's turn it up over there. Something going on over there.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jackie. Happy birthday to you.
I want y'all to see the views. The views. This is funky right here. This is funky right here. But yeah, that's what I was saying. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all turn on all post notifications. Make sure you like the video to help the algorithm. You know what I'm saying? And make sure you comment down below and tell me what you think about the foods and the places that we trying. You get what I'm saying? And like I say, I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. This has been another episode of Life Being Straightforward, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next video. Yiddy. Just gonna record it.
Don't you worry about a thing.
Oh, not so cold. Okay, I'm sorry. This is cool. Look at all the drinks.